welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess, and for today's video is going to be a haul again, and I'm going to start now. First, I have this elf. This is their face erase. They have two of this kind, and I picked the black one. And then the next one is this one. This is the Ride or Die lip balm. I bought in the Tough Cookie. I don't know how many shades are there, but they have 3 new shades for this fall or this holiday. And then they have like 3 pieces of this for $10 for the holiday this year. So I haven't tried this one yet. And then I do have this one right here. This is the elf, the new classics. This one is like kind of more on a dupe of the Natasha Denona new palette. I forgot what it is called, but I'm going to put a picture right here, and this is how it looks like. I did try swatch some of this. Most of them are the mattes. I like the mattes on this eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do a makeup video for this one soon, hopefully. And then the next ones, I have this concealer by JUVIA'S Place. I have in the shade of concealer 20. So this is how it looks like. So it is really big, giant concealer, and then compare it to the concealer of L'Oreal. And then I have in the shade of Tanzania 205 here. This is their foundation, and I have the Tangier 520. Originally I bought the Tangier 520, but they sent me the Tanzania, which is the darker side, the darker concealer, darker foundation. And then I already did a review for this one, and then hopefully this is my shade now. But they are too nice that they send me the shade that I bought, and they never asked me to send it back the wrong one, which is I'm going to, I think, keep it and then try to use it as a contour or something. And then the next ones I have here is the elf daily face cleanser, and this one is on the sale for Halloween. I don't know why they sell it for Halloween, but I already used this one before. This is a new packaging, and we'll see how it will work again. Hopefully it's the same formula of the previous one. And then I have this elf cosmetics monochromatic multi-stick in the shade of bronze cherry. This is how it looks like. I love blush from elf. And then I have these CoverGirl Deep Fonse 115 Easy Breezy Brow Volumizing Brow Gel from CoverGirl. I haven't tried this one yet. Hopefully I can do a review for this one. And then the next one is this one. This is the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Micro Fine and Define Pencil Crayon, and I bought the one in the shade of Rich Brown, hopefully. And then I bought this one. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Worth the Hype, and this is in the shade of waterproof formula or whatever. And then I already tried this one. This is going to be a repurchase, I guess. And then the next one, another mascara. This is from CoverGirl, and I bought in the Extreme Black 980, and this one is the Exhibitionist Uncensored Mascara. This is for big bold volume. And then the next one is this elf cosmetics again. This is the faux make lashes in this shade in the style of Troublemaker, and I bought this one because it's in the Halloween sale. And then I have this FM glitter palette from Wet n Wild. I bought this one because of Halloween. And then I have the Wet n Wild paint pot in the shade of white. Yeah, I think this is white. And then I have the Wet n Wild paint palette, and this one is for smoky ones for Halloween. And then I have the e.l.f. Cosmetics liquid glitter eyeshadow. This is a new one for their new shades for this line, and this is in the mermaid shimmy. Hopefully this one is better. I haven't tried it yet, and as you guys can see, I like green. You guys can see on my eyeshadow right now, I did use the hot jalapeno eyeshadow by e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is their bite size. And then lastly is this one. This is another e.l.f. blush, and it's in the shade of brilliant mauve. I think this is like kind of shimmery blush, and I've got this from their summer sale, I guess, and this is how it looks like. So I think that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this fast haul for you guys, and hopefully you guys watch the other videos, and I'm going to link it here or down here. That's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do, and click that notification bell so that you guys get notified whenever I upload new videos. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.